Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'll be showing you guys how to remove the iCloud lock on an iPhone 6. Today I have an iPhone 6 here which is basically iCloud locked. So this is the iPhone 6 with me. So yeah, let's just go ahead and remove the iCloud lock in this device. As you can see, this device is currently iCloud locked. Let me just show that to you. Yes, it says the device is iCloud locked now, and you can even see that the iTunes also shows that the device is iCloud locked. So to remove the iCloud, you need to first turn off the device. Yes, now you need to put the device into DFU mode. To do that, you need to press the power button and the home button simultaneously. Once the Apple logo disappears, let go of the power button and keep pressing the home button. Yes, now the device is into DFU mode, as you can see that it is shown in the iTunes. So now click on OK and just minimize this. Open the 2018.exe software. Now click on Fetch OTA for all devices. As you can see, the device is already shown in the connected devices list. Click on Fetch OTA for DFU device. It says preparing here. In the bottom section it says preparing. Please wait for it to download all the data. It takes some time, so please wait for it to complete. It says it's fetching the data, so please wait. This should complete 100%. After that, let me just tell you everything. Please wait for it to complete 100%. %43 is done now. 45%, 47%, 49, 50. It says it is downloading 55 data files, so it takes some time. As you can see, the installation process has already started. It is installing all the downloaded data onto the device. Yes, now everything is complete, 100% complete. We get all the data, it's all downloaded. Now just open the iTunes and click, hold the shift button and click on restore iPhone, and select the Unlocks Hub iPhone 6 custom IPSW. Click on open. It says iTunes will erase and restore your iPhone to iOS 11.4.1 and will verify the restore with Apple. Click on restore. As I just showed you, I'm doing this on 11.4.1, the latest version. This installation may take some time, more time than the normal IPSW installation, as this is a custom firmware. So you need to have a little patience. It says it's extracting the software. Also make sure you use the original USB cable, otherwise the installation might have problems if you are using the local Chinese ones. It's still extracting the software. Okay, just let me just walk you through whatever we have done till now. First, you need to just turn off your device and put the device into DFU mode. To put the device into DFU mode, you need to press the power button and the home button simultaneously. The Apple logo appears. And once the Apple logo disappears, you need to let go of the power button and keep pressing the home button. So after 2 to 3 seconds, the device jumps into DFU mode. In DFU mode, you can also verify it on the iTunes that it'll be showing the iPhone is correct connected. Click on restore. So just minimize the iTunes, open the 2018.exe software, click on fetch OTA, fetch over the air software unlock it is. So click on fetch OTA, it'll download all the data and install it on your device. So once it is completely done, it shows 100% everything is done. So just minimize it, please don't close it, just minimize it and open iTunes, hold the shift button and click on restore. Select the custom IPSW software for the restore and just wait for the restore to complete. Yes, it says preparing iPhone for restore. The installation should start anytime now. Yes, it's started. It is installing the software onto the device. Let's just wait and see what happens. The installation may take a while, so please you need to have a bit of patience and wait for it to complete. Please don't ever disconnect the device in this stage. Your phone will get bricked. Bricking is nothing but your device becomes completely unusable. If you have all the software installed and everything is ready, the whole process should be done within 20 to 25 minutes max. Also, you need to have a very good high-speed internet connection for the 2018.exe software to download it very fast. Because of the large number of files, that is, it has to download a 55 number of files, so it takes time. You need to have a faster internet connection, otherwise it may take much longer. Almost 13 minutes up and we are halfway through it. More than halfway, I would say, because it should complete installation soon. There's one more step wherein the iCloud data is installed back to the device, so even that takes a bit longer than usual, as the hacks keep working in the background. In the meanwhile, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. You can get notifications of all the latest videos, all the latest tips and tricks on your Apple devices. Share the video and like the video. If you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section below. You can also mail me on my mail ID. My mail ID will be provided in the description box below. You can also drop down your IMEI numbers in the comment section below. Yes, it now says your iPhone has been restored to factory settings and restarting. Please leave your iPhone connected. It will appear in the iTunes window after it restarts. So let's just see what happens now. Yes, this is the part where The iCloud data is installed back to the device. The iCloud data will be locally stored in the device, and it is now installing it. This will take a bit longer. Let's just wait for it to complete installation. The iTunes has already detected the iPhone, but it's as you can see, there is a blank screen. The hacks are still working on the phone, so it is interfering it with the iTunes. Yes, it says welcome to a new iPhone. Make sure this is where you have to be very careful, and please select setup as a new iPhone only. Please don't restore from the backup, as restoring from the backup will relock your device. Please make sure you set up as a new iPhone only. Click on continue. As you can see, the iTunes is showing that the device is already connected, up and running, but with the device you can notice that it is still installing something. This is the hacks working, so you need to have a bit of patience, and please wait for it to complete installation. Do not unplug the device or do anything else. Please don't try to shut down your device now, like turn off completely. Please don't do such things, otherwise your device may get bricked and you can never use it again. The device looks like it is stuck somewhere. It is not installing, but please wait for the hacks to work completely. Please don't ever remove the USB cable or try to turn off your device or do something like that. Please make sure you have plenty of time to wait. Yes, now the installation is complete. The hello screen came up. Click on the home button. Let's just start quickly, set up manually. Click on next. Click on continue. Set up touch ID later. Don't use touch ID. Passcode options, don't use passcode. Don't use passcode. It asks for iTunes data, maybe. Yes, this is also a very important step. Please make sure you select setup as new iPhone only. Don't ever do it from the backup. Okay, this is in this step all you have to do is just if your network is not fast enough, it takes a very long time to complete the installation, as it has to connect to the cloud server and everything. Let me just show you a very quick hack on how to skip this step. As you can see that nothing is working here, even the back buttons, nothing is working. It is still loading something here. Just remove the SIM card and reinsert it, and it should be up and running. Click on don't use Apple ID. Click on agree, continue. It says welcome to your iPhone. Click on get started. As you can see, we just unlocked an iPhone 6 which was iCloud locked. Everything works, even the camera, the network, everything works here without any issues. As you can see, I also have network. So yes guys, this is how you unlock an iPhone 6 which was iCloud locked. So if you like the video, please share the video, subscribe to my channel. If you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section below. You can also mail me on my mail ID. My mail ID will be provided in the description below. Thank you guys. Have a great day. Take care. Bye bye.